This morning we're heading out from Lovina on a 35-minute drive up the mountains to Aling Aling waterfall. Our driver Sudi is taking us there and it's costing about $30, 300,000 rupiah. And we'll probably look around for maybe about 2 hours or so, Sudi reckons. And so with driving time and 2 hours, it's about 3, maybe stretched out to 4 hours for the day. So that's not a bad deal. And we're looking forward to it. We're on our way down to see some waterfalls, and these are the steps. There's a few of them which come down. They were the most hardest to negotiate so far. Quite a few people here, I must say, so it's popular, a tourist site. So Mark, how's it going?
I'm nearly dead. It's straight down, step by step, not great steps. There's a little tiny handrail about this big and that's it.
Only the one little handrail. If there was more, it would be a lot safer. And we've got to go all the way down there. All the way down there. And one guy went past us a few steps away and said, it's a long way down, and that didn't encourage us. But hopefully the view is worth it. That's our first glimpse of flowing water. Just there. There is a pool down there. I can see people jumping in. Obviously the water goes right the way down through here. The waterfalls are open between 8 in the morning and 5 o'clock at night. Admission to the area is 20,000 rupiah, $2 Australian. And parking, if you're going to park your vehicle there, another 20,000 rupiah. There are various other packages that you could also look at if you're a little bit more adventurous. You can take a guided tour which allows you to do the cliff jumps into the pools and also to slide down the Kroya waterfall. And really you can't do the jumping, sliding, etc. without an actual authorised guide. There's also other trekking adventures that you can take, and these cost about 250,000 rupiah per person. If you want to take advantage of the water activities such as the diving, jumping, sliding, these will cost you 125,000 rupiah per person, and that includes the guide. Now the guide currently does tell you which spots are best to jump from, even though these are designated, but where to actually aim for into the pool, I suppose. That one is Aling Aling waterfall. About another 10-minute walk from here, but this vantage point is suiting me quite well. And the water just courses all the way through here down to that other fall that we just passed. There's Mark just waiting for me. Too many steps. There are too many steps indeed, and it's good for young people because you can probably manoeuvre around these paths and steps a little bit better than what we can. But that view is pretty good. another little runoff just there. And then that cascades down there into the pool. Right down there, they slide down here on your back into the pool. Looks like fun. If I was young, I'd do it.
We were just sitting here having a rest on this rock, and a Balinese guy walked past and told us it's a temple. And we said, oh, sorry, shouldn't we be sitting on it? And he goes, no problem to sit on it. We're like, okay, it's not a very good temple really, but okay. Okay, we're on our way back from the waterfall in the car, and we've come across a cremation ceremony on the road, so they said it's okay to film it, so we'll do that. These ones have the right idea. They're on scooters, not walking. It's very, very, very hot. It just goes on forever. Oh, there's so many. Oh. Scared someone. So many people. This person must have been very popular. Don't think I'll get this many at my funeral. That's insane.
Thanks for watching our videos.
Please like and share them.
Also, please leave a comment.
And most importantly,
Don't forget to subscribe.
We would really appreciate your support.